if you with me, you don't have to work.
Mm.
And that's not even on some like baby mama stuff. If you with me, you don't gotta work.
Your DMs are about to be so crazy right now. You have no idea.
I specialize in the glow up.
No man admits to this. You are the first successful man to ever say this.
Yo, dog, for real.
Yo.
I want to be a provider. That's what I feel like I was put on this planet for. I love taking care of women.
Okay.
Like just in general. Like I want let me upgrade. To me, that's the biggest stunt. To me, if you got a bad chick that she rolling around in a Range Rover, a G-Wagon, she dripping, and that's what I want. Like I don't want a chick that every other dude can get. Like if I know like, yo, unless you can put her in that G-Wagon and have her ears shining, like, and she's good. Like that. To me, that's way flyer than throwing money in the strip club. That's way flyer than the illest shoes or the car. Like, nah, she got a crib in Calabasas. She good.